Hello everyone. So today we'll see how you can translate a whole PDF into any language that you need using Python. So here is our Python file, and we need two Python packages. First, we extract text from this PDF file, and then we translate this text. So this is the process. So first, we need to install a package mm, that is uh, that is called pypdf2. So we just go to our terminal and just we write here pip install pypdf2, that it automatically installed. Then we need to um, we need to add a variable from this package. So we write here from uh, sorry pypdf2 import pdf file reader. So we need this one. Now we need to input our file. Okay, so we open our file. Here we give this location of our file. So here you can see this pdf file, sample document pdf. We just input here. Alright, sample document.pdf, and we just read this file. So here we write rb. Then we need another variable. We take another variable named reader, and just we input this file in pdf file reader function. So just here is file. Then we have to count how many numbers of page in this pdf file, and then we extract them. So we take a variable num page is okay, num pages. Then we write reader dot num pages. Okay, then we need a for loop. So we just go with the for loop in range. Okay, range. Then we just input this variable num page. Here it is, num page. Okay, then we have to colon, and we we take another variable named page, and here is reader dot get pages, and here we input p. Then we have to extract this extract text from this file. So just take another variable named text, and we extract this. So this page dot extract text function. Now this extract text are stored in text variable, so we can print this variable and check this is working or not. So now we just run this file. So it takes some times. Here you can see it can extract this file. Here is this file, almost all major development. And if we see this pdf, so you can see this almost all major development, this full text extract from this pdf. Okay, so now we have to translate this text. So we just cut it. We need another packages that is called Google translator. So we just install this pip Google Translate, Google Trans pip install all Google Trans. So it automatically install these packages. Okay, I already installed these packages. So now we just import this package. So right here from Google Trans import translator. Okay, then we have to make a variable translator just function. Okay, then just we have to import this text in this variable called so we may take another variable called translate text. Okay, translate text, and we translate. So give translator dot translate, and here we input this text. Okay, translate. So just write here text, and we have to give this language. We have to give this the short form of language that we want to convert. So we want to translate this into Bengali language. So I just type here BN. So now if we save this, to just print this we have to just print this variable translate text. Okay, now save this and run this again. Hopefully it will you can see that it successfully translate into Bangla language. So here you can see this translate language. So it will super cool and easy project. You can translate a whole PDF into another language. So hopefully you can understand this video. If you have any question, you can let me know in comment section.